Hi, I'm Bob Ruth from Bob Ruth Ford in Dillsburg PA. I wanted to take a moment to talk to you about the unique buying experience that you will receive when you do business here at Bob Ruth Ford. At Bob Ruth, we care deeply about our customers. After all, without them, we wouldn't be able to do what we do. We have hundreds of new and pre-owned vehicles in stock and available for immediate purchase. If you can't find what you're looking for, no need to worry. We can do custom factory direct orders on any new vehicles and have access to nationwide inventory of used cars as well. Also, any customer who purchases a new or pre-owned vehicle will receive a 1-year maintenance package on all purchases, lifetime state inspections, and price protection guaranteed on all new cars. We will match or beat any written offer for any like vehicle on in-stock units from any competitor. One of our differentiators is our loyalty rewards for continued business. If you purchase a vehicle from Bob Ruth Ford, we will deliver the vehicle to your home or office within 200 miles. Good credit, bad credit, no problem. Bob Ruth's finance department is trained to handle any credit situation that you may have and get you the absolute best deal possible. We offer a guaranteed credit approval and treat all customers with great respect, regardless of credit history. There are over 20 lenders that we work with to meet your financial needs. If that's not enough, we have no money down programs as well as the ability to structure deals and credit approvals online. We pride ourselves on making the buying process easy for the customer. Whether online or in the showroom, our mission is to make the process as easy as possible. Our 1-2-3 process is as simple as it gets. With our no-hassle pricing, it is as simple as picking a vehicle, valuing your trade, obtaining financing, and taking delivery of your new car. This can be done in 60 minutes or less. Our most valuable asset is our employees. We make it our priority to provide a fun, fast, and transparent process when purchasing your next vehicle, servicing your current vehicle, or even just buying parts or accessories from our parts department. If you have any questions about these value packages or would like to visit our showroom and talk to a representative, we invite you to come down to Bob Ruth Ford today. Feel free to call us at any time of day at 877-818-1593 or visit us online at www.bobruthford.com. Thank you.